Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi like Japan. First, let's master the foundation, perfect sushi rice. Select a high-quality, short-grain Japanese rice. Rinse it thoroughly, about 3 to 5 times, until the water is clear. Cook it with an equal amount of water. Once cooked, gently fold in your seasoned vinegar mixture while the rice is still warm, ensuring every grain is coated for that signature sushi flavor. Next, we prepare our nori and fillings. Choose fresh, high-quality nori sheets. They should be crisp and dark green. For fillings, select sashimi-grade fish, like tuna or salmon, sliced thinly. Complement this with fresh vegetables such as cucumber and avocado, cut into slender, uniform strips. Having all your ingredients prepped and organized makes the rolling process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now for the exciting part, rolling your sushi. Lay a nori sheet, shiny side down, on your bamboo mat. Spread a thin, even layer of seasoned rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top. Arrange your fillings neatly in the center. Using the mat, gently but firmly roll the sushi away from you, applying consistent pressure to create a tight, uniform cylinder. Finally, let's slice and serve your beautiful sushi rolls. Use a very sharp knife, dampened with water, to make clean cuts. Dip and wipe the blade between each slice to prevent sticking. Cut each roll into 6 to 8 equal pieces for an appealing presentation. Serve your freshly made sushi immediately with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, a small amount of wasabi, and some refreshing pickled ginger.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.